Hello everyone, I'm Alberto Spitia. This video is for the course material designed for virtual environments at the university. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most interesting tools in learning environment, that is FlipSnack. FlipSnack is a free interactive bookmaker. We can create a magazine, a brochure, or a catalog from uploading either PDF or JPG files, or we can also create our designs from the scratch with the built-in editor. FlipSnack is an excellent way for magazines to expand the readership, and when we combine this with social media, it becomes into a very powerful tool to deliver reading material. The main uses of this excellent tool are for business, that when we can create a catalog to present or to offer our products, and in this way a potential customer can get them easily and fast. And of course, for education is also very useful. This tool offers a set of features for teachers in a very excellent way. We can use the FlipSnack Edu. In this part of the tool, we can create a lot of publications to our students. The lessons that we can prepare on this tool are basically for reading and writing. Then we can create an account for each of our students, and they can make up their own publications. Now, I am going to explain to you the steps for using this fantastic tool. First of all, we have to go to the web page, as you can see here, flipsnack.com, and sign in with a Google account. I have already done mine, as you can see here. Then after, we click on my flipbooks, and we can find this screen shot, and as I said before, we can upload the PDF files, or we can create our magazines or catalogs or book from the scratch. In this time, I am going to use a PDF file, a work that I had to create for another course here at the UNAT. Then first we click here in this part, and in this part of the site, we can turn our PDF by doing this, and then we browse our computer in order to look for the PDF file that we can upload. So let's take this one. We click on open. This part is going to take some minutes. This is very useful for reading and writing, as I said. So one of the things that I would like to do with my students is to create histories, to maybe to take photos in the houses or around the school, and then describe all of those photos and put them in a PDF file and upload them through this fantastic tool. Then I click in next, and our file has just uploaded in the frame of this FlipSnack version. So as you can see here, we can click here and we can check the way it looks. It looks like a real book, like a real magazine. Then if we have forgotten to do something on this magazine or book, we can click on editor, and we can add more pages by clicking here or here. And also, so as you can see on this part of the tool, we can design or select the kind of text, the way we can select the text that we need to, and also to add blog photos, videos, etc. I can preview before publishing my Flash flipbook. So this is the way it's gonna be seen. If I click on here, I can get the full screen, and this is the way it is going to be, right? As you can see, it's not too complicated. It's very easy, and we can hook up our students to get into English very easily and fast. Okay. Now I am going to click on this part of the tool, done, which means finish in this part, so we can change the background color. Let's put it this way, green, and also we can, so then we click on next, and so the title is already, I'm going to leave the same title, but we can change it and write down a short description of my magazine. Okay, this one, this magazine is about the problem of, about the problem of teaching math in South America. Right? Then after, I select the category. So the category of this magazine related to education. Okay. Then after, okay, I click on publish. Now, then for people to see my magazine, I give them this link. So I copy. Give clipping asset, and everybody then can see my magazine because it is for a public view. Then thank you very much for this. I think that with this video I have accomplished the goals that are required for this activity.